What's going on, guys? This is Sam, and today Snapchat released a feature that pretty much anybody who has ever sent a message has probably wanted at least at some point in their life: the ability to unsend/delete messages. It's really easy to do. The feature came out in an over-the-air update today, so you don't have to actually update your app. Just make sure you are on the latest version. Let's go ahead and get started. So what you do after you've sent a chat message, you can do this in pretty much any one of your chats. Go ahead and tap and hold on that message until you get these three options right here. So after I've sent this message, I'll tap and hold, and it says save chat, copy, or a new option below which says delete. And like I said, this is rolling out slowly, so you might not have it already, but you will have it very soon. When you tap on delete, you'll get this right here. It'll say, what is delete chat? When you delete a message, we'll attempt to remove it from our servers and your friends' devices. They highlight this might not always work, like if someone has a bad internet connection or an old version of Snapchat. So I hit OK, and then it asks you, would you like to delete this chat? Friends can see that you've deleted something, they just won't be able to see what you deleted in the first place. So I'll tap delete, and the message goes away just like that. Now, if when you sent that message, the recipient was already viewing the conversation, their phone wasn't locked, or they were inside of the Snapchat app, there's a very good chance that they'll still be able to see what you've sent. But if you delete it before they ever open the conversation or open Snapchat again, there's a very good chance that they will have never seen that message now that you've deleted it. So let me know your thoughts on this down below in the comment section, if you've really wanted to use this in the past, or if you are excited to use it in the future, if you've ever sent that message that you may have regretted or sent accidentally. I'd love to see a feature like this built into the iPhone with iMessage, and I doubt that that will ever happen, but it would be really neat to be able to unsend an iMessage if you just didn't mean to send something, or maybe used improper grammar, or sent a photo that you instantly regretted. So that's all I've got for this video. That is a new delete message feature inside of the latest version of Snapchat. If you enjoyed watching, if you learned something new, it does help me out if you drop a like down below, and of course hit subscribe for more videos like this in the future. If you want to help support the channel, you can head over to shop.iupdateos.com or patreon.com/update, and that would be incredible. For now, I've been Sam. I hope all of you are doing great, and I'll talk to you in my next video.